So I got some eyebrow stamps, stencil things, because I thought they would be fun. So we're doing this together. So it comes with this. And then so let's try. The only problem is they're really big for my eyebrows. I've got smaller eyebrows, so this is the best I can do. It's not really my colour, but we'll just get... Let's try this one. This is a sad looking one. What have I done? Let's try a funkier one. This one. I swear to God, I'm gonna master this by the end of it. I'm gonna try a thinner one, okay? Honestly, I bought these as a joke, but if they're good, that could save me time in the morning when I'm getting ready for work. I cleaned it up a bit, and you know what? I kinda like it.